In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Confluence page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a page that's still in draft and make it visible to your team. Start by opening your web browser and heading to start@Atlassian.com. This is Atlassian's central hub, and from here, you'll access your Confluence content. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be taken into your Atlassian workspace where Confluence is available. Inside Confluence, look to the left-hand panel. This sidebar is your navigation area, and it includes your spaces and pages. A space is simply a collection of related pages. Think of it like a folder for a team, a project, or a topic. Select the space that contains the page you want to publish. If you work across multiple projects, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct space so you don't publish the wrong draft. After selecting the space, you'll see the list of pages in that space along the left panel. Find the page you've been working on and click it. The one you're looking for will have a small indicator that says draft. That label is important. It means the page is currently unpublished and only visible to you or others who can see drafts. If you don't see the draft label, the page may already be published. With the draft page open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a publish button. This is the action that will take your content from draft to live. Before you click it, give your page a quick glance to confirm it's the version you want to share. When you're ready, click publish. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to proceed. This is helpful if you clicked by accident. Click publish again to confirm. Confluence will process the action and the draft label will disappear. That's your cue that the page is now published. From this point on, people who have access to the space, according to its permissions, will be able to view your page. If you ever return and see that the page shows as a draft again, it likely means you started making new edits that haven't been published yet. You can follow the same process to publish those changes when you're ready, and that's all there is to it. Open your browser, go to start@Atlassian.com, log in, select the right space, open the page marked as draft, click publish and confirm. Thanks for watching.